What's going on YouTube? Vinny here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss how our group caught 130 pips, guys, yesterday on gold, okay? But before I get started on that, just want to let you guys know that we do have our coaching program. We have our monthly membership, and we have a lifetime access. And we also offer a $200 discount if you pay with crypto. So make sure you check those links out in the description. But I'm starting to get some feedback, guys, so I just wanted to share some feedback with you guys. One guy says, Vinny, thank you so much, bro, for this useful tool. Your training videos are great. You're a great instructor. You keep things simple and to the point. All right. This student says, first time catching 100 pips. That's tremendous, guys. He says, nice little quick precision scalp, amazingly accurate, guys. Like I said, this indicator is highly accurate. John says, phenomenal accuracy on the 4-hour for BTC and Ethereum using the 3-minute entry. So for those of you who like scalping, you can use this indicator to scalp, intraday trade, swing trade on all time frames. Okay. He says he's never seen anything like it. All right. And so this is the trades that he took using Vinny's trading cheat code. All right, now back to regular scheduled programming. Inside of our group, guys, you're free to join our Telegram group. Link is in the description. I do post trades in there. So yesterday, November 7th, I posted this video. It says trade alert for gold. I'm just explaining to them the trade alert for gold and in which direction they should be trading gold. Okay, so that took place. Let's go ahead and click off of there. I'm going to show you guys why I decided to take a sell position on gold. All right, so from daily time frame, guys, we can see that the overall trend is bearish. Clearly market structure, price is making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, now if we go down to our 4-hour time frame, let's see here. All right, so now we're on the 4-hour time frame. We can get a little more information. Let's see here. Okay, so this is the area that we're at right now. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a break of structure in this area here. Okay, right there, there's been a break of structure. Let me go ahead and turn this off again. So we had a break of structure here. So after a break of structure, guys, there's always going to be a pullback. You can guarantee that there's going to be a pullback in the market. So this is the reason why I decided to take a sell trade on gold. Okay, we have some bullish market structure on the 4-hour time frame with this recent break of these highs here. So we're looking for price to pull back. So if we get down to a lower time frame on 1 hour, we can get a little more information. Okay, so on a 1-hour time frame, I've seen that we had a cheat code sell signal on a 1-hour time frame. Okay, there's also down here, there's a support. So if I turn on the indicator, you guys will see that. Okay, so we caught 130 pips on gold. Risk to reward is 1 to 6. All right, so that was huge. So I got a cheat code sell signal, also a divergent sell signal. Price came back to retest the high. When it retested that high, guys, then I knew that it was time to sell gold. Okay, we had rejection candle. Price didn't firmly pull up to break this high, so I knew that we were going to continue to pull back. All right, so that's why I caught this trade on gold. That's why I took this trade on gold. Again, the cheat code is not the indicator. Cheat code is actually found in my guide that I revealed to you what the Forex cheat code is. And all the cheat code is, guys, is just a way to have an edge in the market. Okay, most people don't have an edge in the market. So I want to give you an edge that you can have in the market. It's 3 simple steps. It's going to give you an edge in the market. So you make sure you're trading on the right side of the market. That's why most people fail, right? Most people fail because they take random trades They don't know where they are in the market. All right. And they're not trading on the right side of the market. So with this, what I teach you in the group, guys, you'll learn how to trade on the right side of the market each and every single day. And you'll know to take these trades by having a confirmation with this indicator. Okay. The indicator is strictly for confirmation, All right. You got to make sure you're still marking up your charts. You're just not going to take every single buy and sell signal. No. All right. What we teach over here is real legit. We're not faking you guys to try to get you to buy an indicator so you can just take every single buy and sell signal. It doesn't work that way, guys. All right. No system is perfect, but if you follow a set of rules in your trading plan, you too can be successful. So we have a set of rules that we use, our cheat code rules, right? And I teach you not to chase trades. My motto is, we don't chase trades, we wait. Right? We wait for price to get to an area of interest. And once it gets to that area of interest, guys, then we look to take a trade. All right? It's just that simple. So if you're failing in trading, you're not making the money you want to make, you're not being successful, come join the team, guys, and learn trading. I mean, trading becomes simple once you know what you're looking for and what you're doing. Okay. Most people are too confused with these new concepts and these terms and so much jargon and the fair value gap and the imbalance and all these other terms. You don't need all those terms, guys, to learn how to trade. Okay. It's about waiting for price to set up and market structure. Simple as that, guys. Once you learn this market structure and trading ranges, you're good to go. But I don't want to take up too much of your time. I want to keep this video short. But if you guys looking to get this indicator, join our private group, guys. We have a small group. I do trainings every single week. All right. If you buy lifetime access, you can have one-on-one coaching with me once a month. All right. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.